Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Strength Morse Code Necklace. This necklace is made using silver beads and gold beads to create a personalized message using Morse code. Morse code is a system of sending messages that uses long and short sounds, flashes of light, or marks to represent letters and numbers. It's a fun way to express yourself through words and phrases, and is also a great way to share messages between loved ones using a unique and personalized jewelry design. To make this necklace, you're going to need 12 3mm sterling round beads, 6 3x2 gold-filled crimp beads, 1 9mm sterling oval lobster claw clasp, 2 5mm sterling 19-gauge open jump rings, 2 sterling cord ends which fit this 0.8mm beading chain, and we're going to need about 18 inches of that, some chain nose pliers, cutters, and super glue glue. And of course, our printout of the Morse code alphabet, you'll also need that, and you can download the PDF and print that out on our website. So you can personalize this jewelry design using any words or phrases you would like by following each letter of this printout here. And today I'm going to be using the word strength in my necklace, as you can see right there. And you can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. All right, so to start off, you just want to cut your beading chain to your desired length. I like 18 inches for my necklace. You can make it longer, shorter, just depends on what you prefer. So you take your beading chain, and then we just want to follow the Morse code alphabet here. So what we have on our website is a PDF download, and you can print that out. So you just have it handy while you're making these jewelry designs using the Morse code. So what we have here is each letter is represented by a dot, dash, a combination of both throughout the whole alphabet here. So you can just follow this using beads and then longer beads. I'm using 2x3 crimp beads. You can also use bugle beads or 2 beads in one color to just represent it being a longer mark. But today we're going to use the word strength. So we start out with an S. There are 3 dots. So to represent that, I have these 3 beads here. So you just want to string those onto your beading chain. Okay. One more. Okay, so you have your 3 beads, and that's going to represent the S in the word strength. And the next one is a T, and the T here is just a dash. So I'm using, again, those 2x3 crimp beads. I think that makes just a perfect little dash mark for this design. And you just string that on your beading chain. And now you have an S and a T. So we just want to follow that Morse code printout to finish spelling out the word strength. So you can see I actually have one right here where we have the S that we did and the T. And then the R is a dot dash dot, as you can see here. E is a dot, so we use a bead. The N is a dash dot, so we did the dash dot here to represent the N with the bead and a crimp bead. And then the G, dash dash dot, T, just a dash here again, and then an H is 3 dots, which we have 4 dots, which we have the 4 beads here at the end. So as you can see, it just spells out strength. So you can just have that all strung up together on your beading chain for a really cute personalized necklace. Okay, so once you have all of your beads all strung up on your beading chain, you just want to take these ends here. They're little cord ends used for obviously cord, or you can use for beading chain. They just work really well to attach the ends of your chain here to your clasp. So to do that, you just want to take a little scrap piece of paper, or I like to just use a little section of a little plastic baggie. And you just want to take your super glue glue, and we're just going to dab a little bit here, just on your bag. And you just want to take the end of your beading chain and just kind of drag it through. And then we're going to take the end here, and you just place a beading chain right into that cord end. Okay, and you just want to set that down, let it dry. Repeat for the other side here. Just drag the end. Okay. Then again, we're just going to set those there and let them dry for at least 5 or so minutes before we work with this necklace again. Alright, so once you've let the ends dry, we just want to add our clasp. So to do that, you just want to take your jump ring and your chain nose pliers, and then you just want to open it up, bringing one end towards you, one away. Attach that cord end, and then attach your clasp. And then you just want to close that jump ring back up. Okay, so there you have one end. Oops. And then you just want to add a jump ring to the other end so you can connect the clasp to it. So again, just open that up, one towards you, one away. Close it back up. Okay, so there you have your clasp. So then you can just attach that lobster claw clasp to the jump ring on the other side to secure your necklace. Okay, now that you see how it's done, you can use the Morse code printout that we have at fusionbeads.com to create tons of different personalized jewelry designs using different words and phrases, and you can just have a lot of fun with it. You can also find all the tools and materials to make the Strength Morse Code Necklace, as well as the I Love You Morse Code Bracelet at fusionbeads.com. And for these, we used the International Morse Code, and that is pretty much the standard of today. We also have the American Morse Code available. That was the original version, but the International Morse Code is the standard. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you click the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.